Please subscribe Parthu Tech channel. Like it and share it. Please subscribe Parthu Tech channel. Like it and share it. How to use few, a few, little, a little. How to use few, a few, little, a little. Many words are present in English grammar that students find difficult to use correctly. Students, irrespective of their age, often get confused while using these terms. So, to ensure that students do not make mistakes while using these terms, when to use few and a few, when to use few and a few. The term few is used to express plural countable nouns in a negative quantity. In a negative quantity. Almost nothing, whereas a few means positive something. Using few. A few of the apples are rotten. A few of the apples are rotten. I know few people in the class. I know few people in the class. A few of the people left early. A few of the people left early. A select few were given awards for outstanding performance. A select few were given awards for outstanding performance. A few asked the teacher for more help. A few asked the teacher for more help. I have left few things behind. I have left few things behind. There were few students in the seminar. There were few students in the seminar. There are few chocolates left. There are few chocolates left. Next, using a few. Using a few. Examples. A few people came to the rally. A few people came to the rally. There are a few people who speak the truth. There are a few people who speak the truth. Can you wait a few minutes till I arrive? Can you wait a few minutes till I arrive? Can you give me a few chocolates? Can you give me a few chocolates? Can you give me a few flowers from your garden? Can you give me a few flowers from your garden? Sam had a few friends growing up. Sam had a few friends growing up. When to use little and a little. When to use little and a little. The term little is used to express uncountable nouns in negative quantity, almost nothing. Whereas a little means positive quantity, something. Examples. First you use little. I have a little knowledge about computers. I have little knowledge about computers. She uses little sugar these days. She uses little sugar these days. Little is known about this famous artist. Little is known about this famous artist. Thea had little food the entire day. Thea had little food the entire day. Please take a little rest before you go back to work. Please take a little rest before you go back to work. There is a little pudding left in the fridge. There is a little pudding left in the fridge. Yusuf has a little time left for his exams. Yusuf has a little time left for his exams. The gravy needs a little more salt. The gravy needs a little more salt. Pardu has a little money left in his account. Pardu has a little money left in his account. Can you please give me a little water? Can you please give me a little water? There is a little chance that the team will win. There is a little chance that the team will win. Please subscribe Pardu Tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.